back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, if you read the title, it's going to be a makeup tutorial, a pink and purple halo eye, but then I mixed it up. As you guys see in the video, later on in the video, I kind of like made it a little smoky or whatnot. So I love how this look came out, you guys. Definitely cute. It's girly and it's just fiery, smoky. I love this, y'all. I keep on saying it, but I love it. I'm at my edges because I am on edge control, but it's so cute. And before we get into the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you turn on post notifications so you guys will never miss any more uploads. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I don't really do my eyebrows on camera because it takes forever. If you guys want to know how I do my brows, make sure to check out my video on my channel. I already did a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel if you guys want to know what products I use and everything like that. So these are how my brows look. Definitely another good brow day today. You guys know in the previous video I also had a good brow day. Having a good brow day again today. I love how my brows came out today. So first we're going to prime these eyelids because I need a lighter base so that my eyeshadows can really pop. So I'm going to go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to put on my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it out and I'll be right back. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in. I already primed and set my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I also used the Shop Miss A pressed powder in the shade Toffee. So everything is already set. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow. The two palettes that I'm going to be using today are the BH Cosmetics Basic Brazil palette and the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics Collab palette. Put that color right in my crease. Just build it up first and blend it out. I'm not gonna put too much on there because I don't want it to be too orange. But I'm going. So now that color is blended out, now I'm gonna go in with a darker color to deepen it up and give it more dimension. You have that color packed in lightly. You don't want to make it too dark because I am doing a pink and purple halo look. So this is just like for starters. So once you get done packing that second color, so just go back in with that brush that you used for the first color and blend it out so that it won't be so harsh. Just blend it out. Just keep blending. Blending is definitely the key. Then I'm going to go in with a light purple because the pink is going to be in the middle of my eye. So I'm going to do purple on the outside or around the pink. So I'm going to go with my Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with, and I'm going to pack it on my outer corner and inner corner. So I have it on my outer corner, and then I'm going to do it in my inner corner. The space right between the middle to leave space. And that's before you blend it out. And you just keep packing that product, packing that shade. The more you pack it on, the more pigment and the more vibrant your colors are. So I'm going to blend that color out. I'm going to go in with a blending brush and blend it out. So now that color is packed on, I'm going to deepen it because now it just looks flat. It doesn't look exciting. So I'm going to pack a darker purple on top of this purple, but only focus it in the closer to the crease. You have that second color on, you're gonna go in and blend it, but you're going to use the same brush that you used for the first purple. You're gonna go in with that brush, and then you're gonna put a little of that first purple on there so that you can blend it out, and it can go to, so it can blend together, So this is the first purple on my brush right here, and you're just gonna blend it out with the second purple so that it can all blend out together. And once that is blended out, I'm gonna go in with a even darker purple, which may come off as like a little blue, but that's fine. This right here. And we're gonna put it right in the tiniest corner. Right there. You're just right there. You don't have to put no more than that on there. And right there in the inner corner. Flat shade brush. Alright, so now that I have my eyeshadow, a very cute little halo with a little pink in between, I'm going to put on my lashes, and I'm going to be right back. Alright, so I'm all chiseled that I already contoured, I already highlighted off camera, as you guys can see. Now I just have to set. I'm going to set with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to set all over my face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 362 Truffle. So I'll be right back when I'm done setting. Alright, so I'm back, and I'm just going to go in with a black eyeliner and put it on my waterline just to kind of like smoke it out and make it a little darker to give it more of a whole look, because right now it just looks like I'm missing a, you know, an under eye moment. So, well, lower lash line moment. So I'm about to put me some black eyeliner on my waterline, and then I'm gonna go in with the purple and the pink that I used for my crease. I'm gonna use that to smoke it out. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I love how this came out. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Very girly and just like vampy a little bit, you know. But it has a little hint of pink. See, look, the little hint of pink. I'm loving it. I put on my little purple shirt. I just threw on my little purple shirt because I felt like, you know, needed some purple. Then I got my hair in this half foot path down with the two things. I love this, y'all. I really do love this a lot. If you guys love this look, please leave a like. Please leave a like. I think this look deserves a like because it is cute. All right, you guys, but I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys love it. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and make sure you comment video suggestions that you guys would like to see.